Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase an NFC tag. First, you will need an NFC-enabled smartphone, whether Android or iPhone. Next, download a reliable NFC Tools application from your device's app store. There are many free options available. Finally, ensure your NFC tag is indeed rewritable, as some tags are designed for single write use only. Getting these essentials ready will make the process much smoother and faster for you. Choosing the correct app is crucial for successful erasing. Android users have excellent options, like NFC Tools or NXP's Tag Writer, which offer comprehensive features. For iPhone users, apps such as NFC Tools are also available, though iOS has some limitations on background writing. When selecting an app, make sure it clearly advertises an erase or format function, making your job much easier. Many of these apps are free to download and use. Erasing an NFC tag on an Android phone is straightforward. First, launch your preferred NFC application, such as NFC Tools. Within the app, typically you will find an option labeled Erase Tag or Format Tag. Select this. Then, simply hold your NFC tag against the back of your Android phone, near the top, where the NFC antenna is usually located. The app will confirm when the tag has been successfully erased, usually with a sound or a message. It often takes only a few seconds. For iPhone users, the process is quite similar. Open your selected NFC utility app that supports writing and erasing, like NFC Tools. Locate the Erase Tag function within the application interface. Once prompted, carefully position your NFC tag near the very top edge of your iPhone, where the NFC reader is situated. Hold it steady until the app provides a clear confirmation message, indicating the tag has been successfully cleared. This usually takes just 1 or 2 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.